हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू ड्रामा न्यूज़ अलर्ट। मैं आपको 51 to 100 रिमेनिंग 50 क्वेश्चंस बताने जा रहा हूँ। एक्चुअली दिस इज़ अ प्रीवियस ईयर पेपर ऑफ पंचायती राज सेक्रेटरी स्क्रीनिंग एग्ज़ाम। ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 51, वर्ल्ड पॉपुलेशन डे सेलिब्रेटेड ऑन 11th July. ओके, 52, द चेयरमैन ऑफ द 14th फाइनेंस कमीशन वॉज YV Reddy. Okay, Kalpasutra is a text related to is Jainism. Okay, next question. Andhra Pradesh came into existence in the year 1956. Under the 31st Constitutional Amendment Act, the number of parliamentary seats were. Answer is increased to 545. Okay. Which of the following is a non-metal that remains liquid at room temperature? It's bromine. Which of the following social reformers mainly advocated for widow remarriage? It's Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. The only session of Indian National Congress which was presided by Mahatma Gandhi was held at Belgaum. I guess it's Karnataka. Who among the following was the leader of Maha-Gujarat movement? Indulal Yagnik. If wall is okay, this is actually uh, what we call reasoning. Okay, देख लेना आप. It's also a reasoning. I guess there would yes. Okay. The residual Andhra Pradesh will have a substantial resource gap to finance its expenditure due to. Actually, this is from AP Reorganization Act 2014. Okay, please go through this. So the provision of AP Reorganization Act provides appointment of liabilities on basis of population ratio. In AP Reorganization Act, the right to recover areas of the tax or duty on property to the successor state is as per the section 50 of the act. Okay, the newly formed Andhra Pradesh has to depend mainly on resources like offshore resources. Hyderabad being a common capital for both the states, its revenue shall be given to obviously Telangana. Actually देख लेना ये question. Under which section of AP Reorganization Act did the central government provides special financial support for the creation of essential facilities? Actually it's a key, so they have deleted this question. So go through this. The questions may get repeated. New projects on water resources of Godavari or Krishna will be initiated only after obtaining sanction from the Apex Council. Fathom is the unit of depth. In an election between two candidates, one gets 55. Okay, it's a maths aptitude question. Okay, I will. Which constitutional article supported the establishment of Panchayati Raj system? Article 40, Indian Constitution. Define democratic and governance, participation of public in power. The main objective behind establishment of Panchayati Raj institution is social justice, economic empowerment. Question number 79. Which committee recommended constitutional status to Panchayats? LM Singhvi committee. Which was not a reason for the decline of Panchayati Raj institutions between 1960 and 70, absence of the literates in the villages. The major change that occurred in the Panchayati Raj system after 73rd constitutional amendment is uniform system. What is the main objective of the PISA Act? Actually options were there, इसमें नहीं है. Which committee recommended for the representation of SC, ST and women in standing committee? Answer is Jalagam Vengala Rao committee. Which round of the elections are going to be held for Panchayati Raj institutions in AP? Fifth round. What is the weightage given to the autonomy of the Panchayati Raj institutions in the devolution index? Is 15%. Who has the power to bag sewerage flow on the public roads and to improve the sanitary conditions in any area of the village? It's Gram Panchayat. Who will administer the cremation or burial of destitute human beings and animals in the village? Gram Panchayat. It's very important, bro. Who has the power to scrutinize the records of the Gram Panchayat? It's Extension Officer, Panchayati Raj and Rural Development. Who plays a vital role in establishing the joint action committees to look after the works taken up with the funds of government, Gram Panchayat, Mandal Parishad or Zilla Parishad, and resolve the disputes that rise between two or more panchayats? Answer is Mandal Parishad President. Can the Gram Sabha members request for organizing a Gram Sabha? If so, how many of them should submit in writing to the Sarpanch? Yes, 10% of the Gram Sabha members or 50 members. What are the committees that the Gram Panchayats have to formulate to improve the transparency and accountability in the administration and also participation of public in village development? Both functional committees and beneficiary committees. The 10% land inherited by layouts, parks, etc. are the properties to be protected by the Gram Panchayat, as it is an important one among the responsibilities of the Gram Panchayat, falling under which category? It's category A. Who will supervise the Gram Panchayat properties protection wing committees established in the districts at commissionerate level? So both additional commissioner and vigilance commissioner. Which constitutional article supports the establishment of district planning committees? Article 343, 243 ZD. What is the distance to be maintained in between the cattle shed and the main building of residential premises, and the distance between the water sources and the community toilets in the village respectively? 10 meters to 250 meters. Who is responsible to inform the births which happened at hospital, nursing home, jail, rest house, etc., and the dead corpse or the babies thrown into open places at the Gram Panchayat? Concerned officer in charge or the first scene. What is the amount of population for which one tube well could be established according to the Water, Land and Trees Volta Act 2004? It's 250 population. Which act empowers the local bodies to collect the arrears of taxes and non-taxes that are due? Andhra Pradesh Revenue Act of 1864. What is the report prepared by Niti Aayog which is mandated to oversee the progress of the nation along with the Sustainable Development Goals Agenda 2030? It's SDG India Index 2018. Last question. The scheme Accelerated Rural Water Supply Program, designed in the water 1972-73 to provide drinking water facility in the villages, is now transformed into National Rural Drinking Water Program. Thank you.